If your photo looks grainy or full of digital noise, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in Photopea quickly and cleanly. This is a simple fix that can make low-light photos, compressed images, and older pictures look much smoother and more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the image you want to fix is selected in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is important because the noise reduction filter needs to be applied to the correct image layer. If you have multiple layers, click the one that contains the photo you want to clean up. Next, go up to the top menu bar and click Filter. From the drop-down menu, hover over Noise and then choose Reduce Noise. As soon as you click that, a small settings window will appear on your screen. This is where Photopea gives you the controls to smooth out the grain without completely ruining the details. Inside this pop-up, you'll see a preview option and two main sliders. The first slider is Strength. This is the main control for removing noise. If your photo has a lot of visible specks, grain, or rough pixel texture, drag Strength to the right to reduce it. The more you increase it, the smoother the image will become. But here's the key thing to watch out for. If you push Strength too far, your image can start to look soft, blurry, or even a little plastic. That's why the second slider, Protect Details, is so important. Move Protect Details to the right to help preserve edges, textures, and sharper features while the filter removes the unwanted noise. The best way to do this is to keep the preview box checked so you can see the changes live on your canvas as you adjust the sliders. That way, you're not guessing. You can immediately compare the before and after result and fine-tune the balance until the photo looks clean but still natural. A good workflow is to start by increasing strength slowly, then bring up Protect Details until the important parts of the image still look crisp. If the photo starts to look too smooth, back strength down a little. If the image still looks too noisy, raise strength a bit more. It's all about finding that sweet spot where the grain is reduced but the photo still has life and detail. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the filter. Photopea will process the changes and your image will now look much cleaner with less visible noise. And that's it. You've just learned how to reduce noise in Photopea using a simple built-in filter. This is a great technique for improving photos before posting them online, using them in designs, or preparing them for edits. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and check out the rest of my Photopea tutorials for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.